In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Google reviews in WordPress. So for that, we need WordPress, and we also need a website called Elfsite. So you want to go to Elfsite, then click on widgets right there, then go to reviews, and then right there you'll find Google reviews. You want to click on that. Next up, click on create widget at the top right corner, and then you can customize your own review widget. Okay, so you can choose a template right here. Now for the sake of this video, I'll just go with the normal one, and then next up click on continue with this template right there. Right there you can then customize it, so you can add your Google Place with your Google Place ID, or you can find your own business right there. Next up, you can actually add a header title, you can change the language and add filters, and you can customize all of this right here. Now once you're done doing that, all you need to do is click on join to install. Sign up for an account. Now because I already have an account, I'm going to click on login right there. Next up, they should send you back to that page where you can click on save at the top right corner. And then next up, you can click on add to website and then copy your code right there. Now if you're just signing up, you probably have to choose a pricing plan, so make sure you go ahead and do that as well. Next up, go to WordPress and then click there, click shortcode, paste it in there, click preview, and we should now be able to see those Google reviews, and that's exactly how you can do that. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.